Have you ever wondered why some road maintenance works are finished in a day and others seem to take weeks? We conduct many different types of maintenance on our regional roads, but the most significant and extensive maintenance we do is called road rehabilitation.
So rehabilitation is required when the underlying layers have been damaged by wear and tear, severe weather events or road incidents.
There are many steps involved in road rehabilitation, including breaking up the existing seal and removing the road base, stabilising the lower layer to make the foundation stronger and more water resistant, adding the new materials to the pavement, preparing the surface to be sealed, and sealing the surface. Rehabilitation can take anywhere from 10 days to 4 weeks, depending on the size and extent of the work required.
Even if you don't see workers on the road, there's still works happening. There may be lane closures in place due to unstable layers or steep drop-off on the side of the road. We're here to make everybody else safe, and the lane closures are there to protect the road user from any harm. Road rehabs are crucial to keeping you moving on our roads. Look out for the signs and drive safely. For more information, head to regionalroads.vic.gov.au.